It's Chantel with Telly's Talking Chalk. How's everybody doing today? I hope you are all well. Look at what I have for us today. We are only doing an unboxing. I've decided that I'm going to take it easy for today. It is Friday, but I did want to come and show you what I got. We have been waiting a while for this, so I hope you're as impressed as I am. Although I forget what I actually got, so let's see. Okay, so we have, I can't see anything at the moment, so I don't know if I'm in the right spot. But we have Truly Madly Deeply. Is that in the right spot?
It's upside down.
Oh no, okay, let's do it this way. Now is it okay? Are we good? Yep. There we go. Alright. So we got that one in the right place. So we have that one we're going to work on. I really love that song, so I kind of had to get that. Then we have Dun Dun Dun. If we have anybody getting married. I have a friend that's getting married, so I decided I needed that one. And I can make any kind of custom design with those. If you need or want anything. Then we have, oh, these are beautiful. Oh, I can't wait to put the wings on something. I just don't know what yet, but we're going to do it. And then we have, so I forgot that what I did is I went and got only transfers for this order. So I've got lots and lots of transfers and almost nothing to put them. Give me 1 second, I'm just trying to make these sit, but they're not wanting to. Alright, then we have, oh, we've got small ones. Welcome autumn over the river and through the woods. Loads of love. Oh, these are the truck. I shouldn't have showed you these first. The truck accessories one. And then we have another one I love. This one's going to be sideways on you. This way. Can you see that whole thing? I don't know. But trust in the Lord and faith makes everything, or all things possible. I can't even read. And then we have our last bigger one. These are all C-size transfers, I believe. So this is what I should have showed you first before the other transfer here. Because what this is that's the truck transfer, and then these ones here go on the back of the truck. Or, yeah, on the back of the truck. So we have those. And then we have Let Your Dreams Be Your Wings, which is really pretty. And last but not least, we have The Secret Ingredient is Always Love. Through these times, that's what we need more of. We need love. So, when we get on again on Monday, I am going to do one of these up. In the comments below, if you could tell me which one you would think that we could do up, that would be awesome. Like and follow my business page. Check out my VIP group. These are all Telly's Talking Chalk or Telly's Talking Chalk VIP. Then you can also go to Instagram and YouTube and find me there as well. Again, Telly's Talking Chalk. So that is all I have for you today, but I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you on Monday. Bye, guys.